Research India was established in 1997 by Rajendra Tanwar after advice from one of his US-based friends who suggested starting a quality software development company in India that would market its products. US-based friends who suggested starting a quality software development company in India that would market its products in America.
Initially, what happened for almost 7 to 8 months, there was practically nobody except me sitting out there. And gradually we got some orders and we started off with a product that we wanted to create for one of the US government departments. It was to be used in counties in Southern California. And we started off with a county in Bakersfield called County of Kern. So we created the first software called Equimetric. That was our product. As such, it still is our product. And more than half a dozen counties in the southern part of California, they are using that software.
With Stowe specializing in a very specific domain of the IT industry and being a 100% export-oriented company, it has made its name in the US market by creating dependable database applications for its clients. And with the Weights and Measures Department of California becoming its primary revenue source, there has been no looking back for Stowe and its founders.
There is a product that we have created called Equimetric, which is being used by Weights and Measures Department at the county level in US. Apart from that, we've executed projects for insurance company called Tokyo Marine. So we have been writing insurance software, which is a claim processing software for Tokyo Marine. So that is one of the major projects that we've executed.
What started in a small office space with just 2 people is now an IT hub with more than 50 professionals working under its wings. Stowe's reputation for handling big overseas projects has boosted its turnover to over 10 crore rupees currently. And all this coincided with the arrival of a computer whiz named Rajiv Manocha.
With a database application, you need to mirror reality. The same application for a different organization becomes different because the user organization is different. So we primarily specialize in the development of database applications.
In the beginning of 1999, Rajiv Manocha happened to join us. He is the current chief architect. He's got a brilliant academic background and he is one hell of a genius as far as software development is concerned.
For this entrepreneur and his chief software architect, taking Stowe to greater heights is a constant endeavor. And Stowe's success has not been about chasing success itself, but achieving excellence in whatever it does.
Mainly because of the genuineness, because I have bought even I think 12 years back also, and it's intact.
With a jewelry range for all categories of customers, from the middle class to the extremely rich, Jagdamba Pearls has today achieved a turnover of over 15 crore rupees. It is now planning to open a destination pearl jewelry store, something that the city of Hyderabad has never seen before.
We are working on a new store which we claim to be the landmark and not a jewelry store. We try to work out in such a way that people who visit the city have to visit to our store because that's going to be a landmark jewelry store and not just a jewelry store, where pearls are become a souvenir in Hyderabad.
With 87 years of experience in serving customers with quality and innovation, Jagdamba Pearls today is a beacon among the hundreds of pearl traders in Hyderabad, a symbol of true grit and entrepreneurship.